how I went from literally $0 to started making $1,000 per month as a side hustle along with my full-time job from this online business. That's what exactly I'm going to be walking you through in this video step by step. If you can believe it, you can achieve it. Keep your belief strong. Surround yourself, as I said, to people who are already doing good. You obviously can achieve it. Make your numbers realistic in mind. If you haven't made $1,000 yet, set up a goal to make $1,000. Don't look for 10,000, 20,000. If you're at 1K, think about 5K. If you're at 5K, think about 10K. If you're at 10K, think about 15 and 20K. Don't jump from 0 to 20K or 30K or 100K. It never works. You're gonna harm yourself. So don't do that. That's my wisdom. And take a screenshot of this. Your investment is directly proportional to your income most of the time. Some exceptional cases I've seen, but most of the time it's directly proportional to your income. So going from $0 to $1,000 per month, what exactly I did, I always invest first in myself before I take any decision, before I move forward with any kind of activity or any kind of thing that I'm doing in the business. So at that time, I invested $200 for 1 hour consultation call, I was making $15 an hour at that time. I paid a guy in India $200 to give me 1 hour of consultation call. It was not easy to absorb or digest. I was like, I'm in Canada, this guy is in India charging $200 an hour. I'm only making $15 an hour. There was a lot of gap between that. And I was not trusting enough. I was like, is it even real that somebody can charge $200 for an hour of the consultation call? That's what the thought, but I had to take the step. I had to move forward. So I invested. That was the first thing that I did. Moving forward, when I started really my like a real business, I started focusing on what and not who. What does that mean is basically I started focusing on what problem I can solve for people rather than seeing who this person is, whether this person is a real estate person, whether this person is a insurance broker, whether this person is a coach consultant, maybe an e-com person and all that stuff. I didn't care about that. I just focused on what problem I can solve for someone. 2 business models that I picked up at that time, tech support and affiliate marketing. That's all I did to start my journey with what? A lot of time I have seen people start trying to find their niche in the beginning. I'm telling you, take that concept away. Start focusing on what skill set you got and what problem you can solve for other people. Don't care about that person is this person, that person, a 2cc winner or whatever. Literally one of the screenshots that I had the name of this person was struggling with ClickFunnels domain issue and all that stuff. And this person is having now made more than over, I think, $20-30 million. And at that time, I was just fixing issues with ClickFunnels domain. And I texted this guy that you have my biggest dream on your wall, bro, 2cc at that time. And congratulations, glad to get connected. His issue was to fix a domain issue, tech stuff. I didn't care about was a 2cc winner. I just tried to help that person. One of the greatest epiphany or biggest aha moment I'm giving to you. If you're feeling like I need to work with this niche only, maybe mindset coaches, manifestation coaches, or this coaches, that real estate person and all that, take all that concept away. What you need is what problem, what skill set you have. You can be a Facebook ad person, you can be an SEO person, you can be a funnel designer, email marketer, a copywriter, anyone. All you need to take care is what problem I'm solving in the market. Focus on what and not who. That is the very first thing I focus on. I did 2 business models, tech support and affiliate marketing. Second thing I did, once I knew that, okay, this is the problem I'm solving. Second thing I started saying, how can FBL strategy I use? Finding groups, building repo and leveraging networks. I'll show you one by one what exactly I did. So I tried to find what are the premium Facebook groups, what are the paid groups I can be a part of to network with people so that I can build my repo among these people. And at the same time, I can leverage networks, like big people out there. Sometimes, most of the time, they are in Facebook groups and in the premium group. We use the strategy of Blue Ocean, which is like a paid groups, anything that you buy and you get a Facebook group as a bonus or as a part of it. So that's what I did. I found Facebook groups, build repo and leveraging network. These are the screenshots. So I found one funnel away challenge as my group, $100 investment. I joined this challenge 8 times. Keep on joining it again and again. A lot of time my friends were saying, Sahil, are you mad? Like, why are you joining this challenge again and again? Because all my dream clients were hanging out there. So I keep on investing $100 every month to join this challenge. And this was the kind of a repo that I was building. So I was taking testimonials, building social currency a lot. In one group only. I was seeing people hanging in ClickFunnels group, fighting with each other. Like somebody made a post on I need a funnel designer, like 150 comments. I was like, people are leaving money on the table. There were premium groups that we teach in our coaching program, premium groups which were literally not a lot of people were there, and I was building my repo here, I was building my name here, and leveraging networks at the same time. Pay me after you are done. That's a third strategy I was going to do. PPS strategy, which is like pay per solution. Only pay me once you get the solution. Don't pay me before that. Literally, I have this screenshot. So I said that to a person. I said, I charge $97 per hour for my services, but I only charge after the work is complete. Not a money greedy. I'd love to help and only charge for my time and knowledge. If I won't be able to fix the issue, I won't ask you anything. Even if you don't like my services or feel uncomfortable with anything, you don't need to pay me. All I want is a happy customer. Say that, bro, let me fix this issue. Let me work on your project. Let me do this thing for you. Pay me after you're done. That's what exactly I did. People are not doing that. A lot of time I've seen that. And then building and leveraging social currency. What I did, I made this beautiful looking funnel. If you see, very ugly one. The company name was there, and there's like tech support, funnel designing, this. I help business owners tackle the tech and tighten their automation so that they can get back to doing what they do the best. 3 testimonials I used, attach my offer page. I built this funnel in 10-15 minutes only. Didn't take a lot of time. Uploaded the video on YouTube, attached those testimonials. So what I did actually, I took all the testimonials and videos or screenshots that I got from here and started leveraging that social currency. Now, anytime I was going on a chat with a person, they were like, can you help me, Sahil? And I was like, sure. And I sent in them this funnel link. I was like, these are you can see even what other people are saying about me, or you want to take the reviews and testimonials of other people, here it is. This just a standard 1-page funnel. That's it, with the order form attached, no fancy funnel, no other. I hired a graphic designer or a funnel designer to make a mock-up and all that stuff. I use this simple 4 things: focusing on what and not who, FBL, finding groups, building repo, PPS strategy, pay per solution, and building and leveraging social currency. That's all I did in order to make my $1,000 per month. I was doing it repetitively again and again and again.